Okay, hello. This is going to be another Python tutorial, but I'm starting a new series. This is Python Packages 1, Built-in Modules. I will probably do a second one because of the screen recorder, and I don't want to make too long of a video, but I'm just going to start. This first one is just some packages that are built in, and sorry for the background noise if there is any. You can skip this part. Okay. Just waiting for it to open. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to create a new desk with this in it. And if you want me to, I can do another video on Chromebook tips and tricks. So I'm going to start off with the random module. It's a pretty simple module. You just import random, and for you, it's just there's the simple command of random.randint, which takes two parameters in. Those parameters are the minimum and the maximum. So there probably are other parameters, but yeah, there's only two. So let's just do 0 to 10. That'll give you a random number between 0 and 10. You can also do negative. You can only do integers though, because it's randint. 100 to 0. Like you can do negatives. Whatever you want for those. You can do random.randrange, which gives you put in 0, a 1, no, 1, then I think that's it. No, random.randrange takes in 0, whatever your start, your stop, and the step. I don't know what the last one is, but you can put in like 0.5, 0.2, and it'll do, well, I guess random.randrange takes in 0, 100, let's just do that. And that's pretty much the same as randint, I think, except I think it's just a little bit more, like, changeable and has more parameters. That I don't think you'll need to use probably, but if you need to, just know that I'm not really going to go over that right now. But then there's random.choice, and you just put in like a list, I think. So let's make a list, because I can't name it list because that's a function, but I can name it TSIL, which is opposite of list, equals, and then I'll just do and then let's just check that works, and see, so that's a list. And then if I want to, then I think it's random.choice TSIL, and it'll choose one of those three. So just, I'll show you that it'll choose a different one, and it chooses a different one. Sorry for the background noise. And so then there's, okay, so sorry for the background noise, but people are in the background. So that's all I really know about random. I think there's some more, but I can't come up with them from here right now. Okay, so sorry that my screen cut out. I tried filming again, but I ran into some problems. There are a bunch of other ones like turtle, which draws to the screen. I'll show you something like if I do import turtle dot forward 10, and see that draws to this screen right here. If I do turtle dot forward 100, it'll go forward like that. Turtle dot right 90 will go like, we'll turn it 90 degrees. There's a bunch of functions for turtle. I'm not going to go into that in this video because I'm going to do a different video probably on Pygame, which is a better graphics thing. I know there's a bunch more built-in functions, but for this video, I think I'm going to just do those two, plus that little bit of turtle. And if you guys want, I'm going to do some non-built-in ones probably next. But if you guys want another of built-in functions, or if you have any other modules, other packages